There you go, guys. It's something a bit different. Basically what I'm doing is a super glue graft, but I just use some grafting tape to hold them in place when they expand, because I find the super glue technique, it tends to pop the graft off if super glue's got a weak spot. So I'll just show you how I go about tying one of those on. So you just want to get yourself some grafting tape, just stretchy stuff. You can use string or whatever. Cut myself about half a metre off. About that much. What you want to do is just tie it around here. Do enough so you've got a tag like this. And what you want to do is flatten that out and then place that over, stretch that over what you want to hold down. And holding that with one hand, you want to just do a few wraps on this to hold it tight. And then with your tag, wherever it's easiest to tie it. So I just grab the other tag there and just do an overhand knot. And what you've got is you've got this little bit here. I just cut that off so it's out of the way, and then basically that's holding tension on it. And yeah, I find that's the best technique. And then eventually when your bud pops out, just roll that back or leave it on there for a long time. I'll take you off the mount and show you a similar setup. Alright, so here's a similar setup here where I've got the tape in place. That's a bit hard to see, but I've got tape in place there holding the craft in place. That's a bit better there. You can see you've got the tape holding the graft on there. Here's some white ones and some pink ones. Here's me all my seeds flowering. So they was right there grafting, but basically just doing a whole batch of desert roses. And what I do is I just put these ziplock bags at the end just to lock in the humidity. And yeah, just a bit of a tip.